Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add your pronouns to your TikTok profile. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit Profile. Now select Add Pronouns. Begin typing in one of your preferred pronouns. Then select it from the list of options that appears below. You can add up to 4 pronouns you would prefer to go by. When you are done, tap on Save from the top right corner. Now go to your profile. And you will see, your pronouns will appear on your profile near the top, under your display name. So in this way, you can add your pronouns to your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.